Greetings everybody, warm wishes from the Indian Green Building Council, and we are on the cusp of having a phenomenal event which is our national conference after 18 years in Bangalore. And I welcome everybody from the built environment fraternity, my dear architect friends, my developer friends, all my service and engineering companies which do phenomenal work in this domain, students fraternity, and I would say anybody from the built environment domain, please make sure that you're part of this event. We start on 13th of November and then we do 14th, 15th and 16th. And added to this, we also have the expo this time, and it's quite interesting that we have close to 200 contributors to the expo, and I'm sure that you will see wide range of products, you'll see wide range of services which are extending from the smallest home level to the city levels. For the first time, we're actually covering ground which is encompassing from the smallest unit to the entire city. I request you all to join this event, make this a phenomenal success and take away phenomenal learning from this, because that's the intention of this time's national conference. Hoping to see you all soon.